Hi guys, my name is Roger and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create the perfect beat by using the BPM BaseNote. So let's check it out. Here we go. This is the Roland SP-808 groove sampler and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create perfect loops by using the BPM BaseNote. I'm also going to show you some tips I received from a viewer, Fluent. Fluent, thank you very much for those tips because those tips are really amazing. Okay, here we go. I take this sample. Okay, the sample is not good, it's not well looped. So what I do now, I'm going to move this one to another bank to play with that sample. So I do Shift, Sample, Clipboard. So it's now on the clipboard. And I'm going to copy it to another pad bank. Let's say pad bank number, well, look, I can use the dial, but I also can use the sample pads. So let's copy it to number 7. Yeah, okay, number 7 is empty. So I move this one now to pad number 1. I'm going to trim the sample. And I'm going to search for the right loop. If I go here, you see the BPM BaseNote, and the BPM BaseNote gives this metronome. This is my guide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, perfect. So this one is good. Now I'm going to copy this sample to pad number 2, 3, 4. So Fluent told me, listen Roger, copy it first to the clipboard. So Shift, sample pad 1. Clipboard. Now it's on the clipboard. Hold Shift, clipboard, and now press the sample pads. Now it's over here also. This is cool. Very quick copying. Cool. So now I'm going to change this sample. I'm going to halve it, but I show you how to do it. Fluent told me if you hold the Shift button and you turn the dial, the BPM is or doubling or halving. So this is doubling, halving, doubling. Listen what happens. So now I'm going to do the same with this sample, but 2 times. And this one, we're going to make it faster. So, as you can see, it's on length. I hold Shift, I dial, and then this is cool. This is so cool. Okay, but we have a little problem. Well, problem. You see now the BPM has been doubled. If I go to the BPM BaseNote, I can change this one, and now it's again on 121. So I make also now a mute group. I go to mute group number 1, this one also on 1, this one on 1, and this one also on 1. So now I don't have a problem in playing by accident all 4 samples at the same time. So you hear I will adjust also the tempo map to the sample. I will now also open or search for a nice delay. Okay, and this delay I'm going to tempo sync it to the BPM. So now it's tempo synced. Turn it on, turn it on. Just a basic example about how to use the BPM BaseNote and how to copy in a very quick way samples to other pads. So guys, this was it. Just a simple thing, but very important to share in my opinion. Stay tuned for more videos and thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.